Hi, it's Chris again with C&H Auto Accessories. I'm going to be doing a review on the Undercover Ultraflex on a Chevy Silverado 1500. Now let's go over some of the great features on this. Now what's nice about the Undercover Ultraflex, it's a very good looking cover. If you notice, it does sit nice and flush in the bed. This is the new matte finish, which has got a really nice OEM factory look, so it matches the sides very nicely. Now I consider this one of the more user-friendly covers because it does have a left and a right opening for you. So wherever you're standing on the vehicle, you can open up very easily. Now another nice feature in this one, and this is the only folding cover that has a bed rug underneath it. Now the bed rug does quite a few things. One, it looks very nice. Two, it actually helps protect some of the items in the bed. For example, if you have something here and you hit a bump and it goes up, it's going to hit this. So it's padded. Another really nice feature is if you like to go to football games or any kind of sporting event, you want to do a little tailgating, this holds 400 pounds. So you can have two people sit on here very comfortably, or several kids, whatever. So you can use this as a bench. Now as we go along here, you can drive with your cover partially open. Now it does have nice little locking clamps here, and not all of them have this, by the way. And this keeps it, there's one for each side, this keeps it from flying closed while you're driving on the highway. You don't have to worry about the wind catching this and closing this. Now of course, one of the nice features about this cover, now a lot of folding covers stop right here. They're like a two-fold. Folds once, folds twice, stops. That means this part to this window you don't have full access. Now with the Undercover Ultraflex, which is the newest model by the way, this has one additional fold. Now take a good look here. How much more space do you have? Well, you have a lot more space. You got full access to the bed. So you can go ahead and put a motorcycle back here. You want to put your Harley back here. You want to put an all-terrain vehicle back here. Or just you're moving a couch. Whatever it is, you have full access to your bed. You bought a truck to use your bed. This lets you use your bed. Not all folding covers will let you do that. Now this also has another very nice feature. This works as a headache rack. What is a headache rack? Well, if you're driving down the road and someone cuts you off and the items you have to slide forward, this will protect the back of your window. This is take the impact, and of course the bed rug even helps as well. So this will protect the back of your truck. So you don't have to worry about breaking your very expensive window with this. Now if you take a good look inside here, this is set up with a drainage system. Not all covers have a drainage system. I don't know if you can see those little tubes over there. Now what's nice about the Chevy, it's got pre-made holes. We did not have to make any holes in this truck. There's no drilling in this truck. This is all clamped on. Now if you look over here, see these little filters right here? This is your drainage system. And again, not all trucks have it, not all beds have it. For example, if you see this big seal here, if water was to get past the seal, instead of pouring into the truck, it catches it, and of course drains it out those little tubes I just showed you a minute ago. So this is going to keep your bed a lot drier. Now speaking of water, and this is real important to remember this, none of the covers are waterproof. Now some are better at water than others. Like for example, I rate this very highly. I give it from a scale from 1 to 100, 98%. So you can expect a tiny bit of water if you're going like a car wash, has high pressure water, very bad storm, but basically it's going to keep your bed dry, which is very nice. Now this is the newest model, and they made some small changes. If you look here, all the hardware is now black. Before it was silver and black. Now having all black hardware just gives it a little cleaner look. Everything matches a little nicer. And of course they changed the mechanism here. And again, you just push it. Very, very easy to use. If you bring it down, here there's little locking mechanisms. Now I'm going to come around here and I'm going to show you another thing. This cover does come with a LED light. If you look right over here, now I'm going to go ahead and, since the sun's right on, it's hard to see, so I'm going to close this up a little bit so you can get a better view of it. Now what's very nice about this light, it has a timer. So if you turn it on, you forget about it, it will turn off automatically. You don't have to worry about the batteries or anything like that because it turns off after a couple minutes. So you open it up, you throw some groceries in, it turns off automatically. And that's really nice. Now again, this cover, if you look real close here, has the new triple seal on here. Now the triple seal does a better job of keeping the water out of your bed. The previous models had a single seal. And so come over here, locks up very nicely, very tight fit. I'm going to close this tailgate, and it has a very snug fit. And again, the better the fit, the better it is for water. Again, nothing's waterproof, but Undercover has done so much to keep the water out. And Undercover really does do a great job at making a good cover. They also do a good job at warranting the cover. That's right. This has one of the better warranties. The previous model had 1 year warranty. This has 5 years. That's right. 5 years from the manufacturer covering this. Now, if I have it installed here at C&H Auto Accessories, guess what? We're going to give you 1 year on the labor. That means all the things we've done for it gives you a full year, which is the best in the area. So if anything needs to be done, adjustments, all covered by us. So you got the great factory warranty. You get the warranty from us. All in all, it's a great cover. And if you like what you see here today on the video, please like the video and also subscribe to our channel. We really do appreciate that. Again, this is Chris with C&H Auto Accessories in Margate, Florida. Have a great day.